everybody, this is Isha Snehal and today I'm going to talk about Step 3 preparation process. Step 3 is in two parts, Day 1 and Day 2. So Day 1 is Foundations of Independent Practice. It's all the stuff that you studied for Step 1 and Step 2 CK. And they're going to give you 6 hours of time for all your MCQs and 45-minute break and about 5 minutes of tutorial time. You can obviously increase your break time by finishing stuff earlier in every single block. One block is 38 to 39 questions long and about an hour long. So Day 2 is all about advanced clinical practice, where you're going to have 6 hours of MCQs and about 13 cases, which are all simulations, about 10 to 20 minutes long, and you have to actively manage the patient and try to finish the case as early as possible. The break time is going to be 45 minutes, nevertheless. So the next question is, how do you prepare for Step 3? So for Day 1, prepare how you prepared for Step 1 and Step 2 CK. It's very useful if you are going to take Step 3 right after Step 2 CK, because you will be fresh with that knowledge and you will be able to apply them in the questions that your world has. The patterns are very similar to Step 2 CK, so you do not have to worry about Day 1 and Day 2 first half. The second part of Day 2 is a little different. It's a different concept, but you need to just practice the UWorld cases again. They're very useful in the steps of management that are written in there. But the only way to do well on CCS is to practice more and see where you're making mistakes, because sometimes we tend to shift patients in the simulation into the wrong places, and that also reduces your marks. And there are several places where you can do something terribly wrong to the patient and the case will just finish and not tell you why you lost that case. Those things will not get captured while you are practicing on UWorld, because it just will end the case for you if you made some major mistake, and it will not tell why your case got ended so quickly. However, in ccscases.com, at least that's what I practice with, it does tell you where and when you made a particular mistake and what was the ideal way to go about it. And that's why I would really recommend doing CCS cases. It really helped me, and I'm sure it's going to help you. Do it more early on so that you're more comfortable with the process. It just takes about 5 days to complete all the CCS cases in UWorld and practice something on ccscases.com as well. So it's not a bad idea to give all your time to first finish syllabus for for Day 1 and Day 2 first half, and then schedule your second day after about 5 to 6 days so that you have ample time to prepare for the second part of Day 2. This was all the gyan that I had to give for Step 3, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on YouTube or on Instagram. I will give my IDs below in the description, and see you. Take care. All the very best for whatever exam is coming up for you.